Legends of Learning
9.
presents the Farm Life game. This is a math game that makes learning about word
And then 6
problems
sheep to
within 20 with
12.
2 whole numbers fun and easy to understand.
10.
In this informative instructional game, help the
16.
farmer count sheep and cattle on her
There
farm.
were 8 sheep, and some were added.
Use the mouse to click
The
and
fence was
select
left
the correct
open and some
answers for the
animals
math
escaped.
questions.
There were 10
Use your
sheep,
math skills
and
to
6
add and subtract animals
4.
to calculate how many animals there are on the
There
farm.
were 15 sheep, 10.
Answer math
Animals are
questions
mixed
by
in their
selecting the
barns.
correct
Can
numbers
you help?
to answer the
There
math
are 17
questions
sheep in
and
the
check your
barn.
answers to
How
see if
many
you are correct.
12 and 5.
Answer all the
There are
questions
17
correctly
sheep in
to
the barn.
progress further.
9 and 8.
Complete all the levels
There are 3
in order
sheep
to
in
win
the
the
first
game.
barn and 12 sheep in the second barn. 9.
Use your knowledge of math to
4
complete
sheep in
this
the
fun
barn.
and
There
educational
are 4
game.
more. 8. 12.
Have fun
There
and
are 4
enjoy
sheep.
playing.
12. Thanks a lot for your help. I hope to see you again.